Hello everyone, Jelica Replado here, Sales Supervisor of Dreamhouse Realty. Mura at magandang bahay at lupa po ba ang hanap mo? Ang Prime World Enclave San Rafael Bulacan ay naka-promo ngayon until May 31, 2024. Dekalidad na property investment para sa iyo at sa buong pamilya. Complete finished na, naka-tiles na po ang buong bahay ninyo. May 2 bedrooms partition na. Complete fixtures at tiled floorings at wall na sa toilet at bath. May parking area. Free appliances, as your choice upon turnover. Pwede sa pag-ibig, bank at in-house financing, may amenities gaya ng basketball court, clubhouse at gated security 24/7. Along the road kaya very accessible sa sakayan ng jeep at tricycle. Mabilis lang ang biyahe pa Metro Manila, pwedeng dumaan sa Plaridel Bypass Road, NLEX at MacArthur Highway. Malapit sa lahat, tulad ng malls, palengke, school, public terminal at iba pa. May itate yung grocery, supermarket sa harapan ng subdivision. Tuparin na natin yung manifestation mo na magkaroon ng house at lot days 2024. Available pa din ang online reservation para hassle-free and mas makapili ka ng block lot na gusto mo. Habol promo na. Until May 31, 2024 na lang ang 3K down payment and 3K reservation. Kung interesado ka, PM muna ako agad habang may unit pa. Again, I'm Jelica Replagaw, your realtor of Dreamhouse Realty.